The Hare and the Tortoise. The hare was once virgin of how fast they could outrun all the other animals in the forest. Have never been beaten, he sighed. The hare stay. I will change anyway. Hare the rise with me. The tortoise went quickly gravely. I accept your change, Mr. Hare. That is a good joke, sighed the hare. I will dance around you all the way. We will rise. Oh, will this be an easy rise? The forest animal then cried across on the rise begging. With fast speed the hare immediately disappeared out of sight. Oh my, sighed the hare. I'm so fast. Have time to play in the meadow and take a nap. He sat her asleep. The tortoise slow kept on going, taking a step in far in the other. When the hare awoke from his nap, he saw that the tortoise was almost at the finish line. The hare then raking the ever. Wherever the tortoise was, Ellie plainly wait for him. The tortoise wealthily sighed in the hare. Slow and steep wind the rise. End.